going to start how many types of loop in Python. So basically there are two types of loop in Python, while loop and for loop. So this is a video where I am going to explain while loop and for loop. Both I am going to explain in same video. So if you haven't watched my all videos in series, please go and watch one by one, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. So how while loop work first? So suppose one two, I want to print one two five number. So how can I do using while loop? So printing 1 to 5, so I need to declare one variable I, or you can use any type of variable a, b, c, any type. So I'm declaring I. So I'm declaring from start 1. So I'm using while keyword. So I should be less than of 6, because in Python loop will exclude the last value of while it's coming. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. So loop will go up to 5, and it will exclude number of 6. So when you want to print 1 to 5 number, so always you remember you have to just uh, take a number of 6. So like this I am just commenting it. So this will go up to 5. So up to 5, just I am commenting this. I am commenting this. Let me just comment it with the using of hash. And so I declared a variable name I with value of 1 and with keyword while loop and with semicolon. Now I have to print. So let me just print off I, and I should be increased for every time 1. I plus 1. So how it is work? So first here it will declare, I'm just deleting it. First I will come in here, this place 1. It will check like 1 is less than 6, so condition will be true. So now here I next line it will come, it will print 1. It will print 1, and you will get output 1. And now it will come into next line. So 1 is plus 1 is equal to 2. Now I the next value is 2, and it will follow the same thing up to when I will be 5, and then it will print when I will be 6. Suppose here I the output till 5 you got, and now 6 value, so 6 is less than 6, so this condition will would be false and the loop will break. So now you will get it like 1 to 5. So when I'm run this, I'm getting 1 to 5. So in while loop, we generally use in Python to condition, break, and continue. So now I'm going to explain break. Suppose I want to break, so I'm using 3 to 3, it should be print. So if I is equal to 3 semicolon, it should be break. So how it will work? Suppose here one is uh, checking the condition in while loop. This condition is true, so it will print 1, and it will again check if I 1 is equal to 3. Not, it will jump into I increment, and now I value is 2. Again I value is 2. It will 2 less than 6. Yes, less than 6. Print 2. Then again it will just come into 3. So 3 is not. then it will print. Now the value is here 3. After increment it will check 3. So 3 is less than 6. Yes, 3 is less than 6. Now here it will print 3. So it will print 3 up to 3, and after 4 it will, and now 3 it will check with I again. 3 is equal to 3, so its condition is false. Now this below condition is false, it will print 1 2 3. So how it will work? I am just 1. Now when I'll just run it, so 1 2 3, it goes up to 3 because after 3 we made the condition of break. How continue it will work? Suppose we won't continue it, so it will go infinite loop with the similar explanation. So we need to just increment by 1 first. So the loop will start from 2 and it will check like up to 3, and here I will print. So I'm starting from the 0 because, so when I'll start from 0, here 0 is less than 6. 0 is the less than 6. Yes, 0 is less than 6. Condition is true. So now 0 plus 1, this fifth line will come. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is equal to 3. It will skip this condition and print 1. Like this it will goes up to 3. So now 3 is equal to 3. Yes, condition would be true, and it will not print I. So when I'll run, it will print 1 2 3 1 2. It will skip 1 2 4 5 6 because 3 will skip, while here it will 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. So rest of code will not run because of it will skip it after continue. So 3 is equal to 3. So here value is still 3, and now it will compare. Now the value is 4. This condition would be false and it will print 4, and again it will say, print 5 and then 6. 6, I am changing it starting from 0. Like this it will happen, you will get. So this is a while loop, how it works with continue and break. So now I am going to explain how. As we had discussed while loop in same video, so now I'm going to start how for loop will work. So I'm going to print 1 to 5 number, same we had print using while loop. So how 1 to 5 print using a for loop? So for loop you have to declare for keywords. So for I in range, range will go 1 to 5. It will exclude last number of 6, and it will print I every time. So when you will see, it will give you 1 to 5. So what here happening? So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, it's visiting all the numbers 1 to 5 and excluding last number of this range value of 6. So it will goes 1 to 5. If I am start here declaring 0, suppose, so it will go 0 to 5 and exclude 6. If I am just print here, it will declare 5. So it will goes like 0 0 1 2 3 4 up to 4, and it will exclude 5, fifth value. So it will print 0 to 4 using a for loop. So here my indentation is missing because I did not comment it. So I am removing it. So it will go 0 to 4. Here you will see it goes 0 to 4 now. So how you can make a condition in for loop? Suppose if I equal to 4, suppose, or 3, then loop should be break. And what happened? So it will goes up to 2, it will print. So for 3 the condition would be false, because 3 is equal to 3, the condition should be false, and loop would be break. So that's why it's printed 0 to 2. So now I am going to start how is you can loop our string data type in Python. Suppose Nikhil, we can just loop it. So for I in a variable, which one you want to just loop it, and now print of a. So now I am just printing it. Suppose, sorry, I printed a I. It should be I. So what is happening? Nikhil. So every element of a string it will visiting every time till when we did not get it before. So every time it should be visit. First it will n, then I, then k, then that h, that I, then l. So like every time it will visit. So it will print Nikhil. So now if you want to print like this and of space, so it will just go in horizontal like this. Otherwise you can just define anything, like I'm defining a star, it will goes horizontal with a star like this. So now I am just going any condition. You can also make this condition if I is equal to h, then it should be break. Then when I'll print it, h we need to define in a string, because h is a string in Python. So it will go nik, because so it will first come visit into n, then I, then k. When h comes, so h is equal to h, h is equal to h. So condition is false, so it will break it. So it will not print. So similar way, we can just loop list in Python. So I am declaring variable lis and making a one list. One in list, I am just defining a string variable 1 and float 0.1. Now I'm just looping it for I in list, and when I'm print it of I, it will visit every element of the list and print one by one. So here you will see A1 0.1. Similar way you can just do with tuple using for loop. So when I'll print it, you will get A1 0.1. And if you want to check the data type, you can use a type built-in function for check the data type. So when I run it, so you'll get float integer string. So it's giving every data type. First class string, integer and float. Class string, integer and float. We define it. So similar way you can just do with sets also. You can loop set also. Here I'm mentioning set. If you did not watch my data type video, list tuple or dictionary video, please go and watch, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. So if I print it, So I am declaring here a. I need to declare I because I retrieving every value. So when I just run it, so I'll get 0.11a because set does not support any defined order. Set does not support any index. Like dictionary, if I want to just extract it, dictionary. So for dictionary, we need to define name, Nikhil, and age should be 30. So now I'm defining it. It will, so here key and value pair is there, key and value. So if you haven't watched that dictionary video, please go and watch. It comes with key and value. It extract the key pair. So now I am running. So it extracting key, name and age. If I want to extract only both key value pairs both, so we need to extract it like from items. So item value coming ing I comma j, and now we need to define it like this. And now it will come like name Nikhil, age 30, or we can just do like same. So you can also define dot keys dot keys, and for keys it will give you the output of only keys, like similar way we did. We made mistake here, double point, so it will give keys, and similar way you can extract dictionary values also. Values, here you will get the values of it. So this is the example of while and for loop. So with this concept, you will understand all the script of the Python where they are using, or your project will be going to use of while and for loop. So I hope you understood this video. Thank you so much.